Hey guys, my name is Lucas, and if I know that my favorite YouTuber is uploading a video today, I'm getting very curious and very excited, and I really want to see this video. And I wish I could reload this YouTube page every minute, every second, just to see the video as soon as it gets uploaded and see it immediately. But life isn't that easy, and I don't have that much time to reload this page every minute, every second. And I thought about making a Python script which checks whether the YouTuber uploaded a video or not. And if it got uploaded, it opened up the YouTube immediately. So I can still have enough time to do my work and focus on my work without getting distracted from YouTube. But now if the video gets uploaded, I just can see it immediately. It gets opened in my browser and I can see it as soon as it got online without having the fear to miss something out or to forget about the video. And in this video I want to show you how I made this. To code this I have to start with three things. So I have to install Python from python.org/downloads. Then I have to install a library called request with pip install request. And the third thing, I have to generate an API key for Google to make requests to YouTube. And now that I have these three things, I can start code. Now let's go through the code and see what it does. So the first thing is that we have to import some modules. We have to import web browser, which opens up the web browser with the video. We need to import time to make a sleep timer to don't make the request every millisecond, so the request will come every 60 seconds. Then we need datetime because we only want the videos from today. And the last thing is to import requests because we need this to make the request to the YouTube API. The next thing is that we have to define three variables. The first one is the API key we get from Google, which you just copy paste in. The next one is the channel ID, which you also get from YouTube and go to your favorite channel and just paste it from the URL. And the last thing is the date from today, which we format to hours and minutes to 0, so from the whole day, and then format it to a format for YouTube. So now we start a while loop, so this program should go on until the video got uploaded. So we make a request to the YouTube API with the URL and the parameter with the API key, the channel ID and also the date of today. And if the request gives us something back in item, so if there's one element in item, we build our video URL and open it up with web browser and it gets immediately open on our PC. After that we break the loop, so the program will stop, and if the if case statement does not fit, we make a sleep timer for 60 seconds and then do another request. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave down a comment down below and I will answer them all.